What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So looks like NIO is following the prediction that I had outlined in my prior video, so I didn't change a thing on this chart. And you can see that price was trading right around here. Well, last time I looked at it was back over here in late May, or somewhere in the 20s, the mid-May, and then price broke down lower, which I thought it would, just to trap in shorts, trying to make another leg down, and that was the target at the 453. But price came up short, which is actually a very bullish sign. So whenever price does not reach the target to the downside, that's a bullish sign. If price doesn't reach the target to the upside, that's a bearish sign. So this is a bullish sign that the price made a leg down. You can see this was one leg down right here. This was the start of the second leg, and the second leg was not met. So that shows signs of weakness. Basically, on a fundamental level, if price can drop this much, and then we correct and we start dropping again, but this time price cannot drop the same amount as last time, that tells me that the bears are weaker. So that's what can lead to this rally higher as well. So we had a measure move fail to be met, and then a failed breakout because price did break this level right here at the 512, 513, and then immediately got back above it. So that's a failed breakout, stopped out, almost stopping out the shorts. Some stop losses right above here, right above this candle on the 21st. So somewhere around the 556, we could probably see a larger move up higher as well. So again, this is looking bullish. I was expecting a failed breakout and then a reversal, so that's why I had this arrow to the upside. So this is all one large leg right here. This is the second leg, and the target right now is at the $7 level, low sevens. And I was expecting that target to be reached because whenever price breaks a level, you expect two attempts to get back above it or find resistance from it. So we didn't really see that over here. We might have seen it like on a micro scale, but now we're seeing it in a macro scale. So again, expecting higher prices. Looks like earnings report is just right around the corner, sometime in June 6th. It looks like it's confirmed before market open, and that coincides with price still trying to push up higher. So we might even have a new uptrend channel in place. So we only have two touches right here. The top fits pretty good as well. And again, if price did bottom, it's probably going to hit the top side of the channel, which coincides with the measurement target. So something like this. And then probably after the earnings report will dump. So they can use the earnings report to push up the price because the target is to the upside. So they could, just trade around. Earnings report pumps up price, and then probably a rejection. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, that's all I have for NIO on the daily chart. So it looks like it is playing out how I predicted. We had a failed breakout lower. Price cannot reach the measurement target, which is a good sign for the bulls. Immediately reversed. Looks still pretty strong to the upside. I'm expecting at least the 627 and then possibly the low sevens. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. And again, price just continues to push up higher. Like I said before, this was a prior key level in the past, the 706, 709. And price generally, when it breaks the level, you expect two attempts from it to get back above it or find resistance from it. So this is one leg up right here. Price pull back, we're seeing the second leg or the second attempt to get back above this level over here. So we'll see what happens. If we make two attempts and it fails to get back above it, then that's a very bearish sign. We can just continue trending out lower because it has qualified it as resistance now. So that's all I have for NIO on the daily weekly charts. Let's see what happens. Short term, it is looking bullish, but overall, it is still in a downtrend. Price is still making macro lower highs and higher lower lows. So lower high, lower lows in the macro sense. We definitely see these short-term rallies over the couple of weeks or even a couple of months, but they don't live on for longer. So I would be really bullish if price can eventually break this downward trend line that I drew over here. That would show loss of momentum by the bears and strength by the bulls. So that's all I have for the daily weekly charts for NIO. And most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Wednesday and Friday, to give you guys 2 times updates. So we'll see what happens. But that's all I have for NIO on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.